slice the beef.
No, we've got nothing
Magluluto
in.
si Mister.
There's no,
Siya taya.
there's no, there's no,
That's
there's no.
it. Here! I put some leftover from last night already. So let me chop the onion, garlic, and what more did she put in there? The mushroom. Ay, look at the mushroom.
Yeah, they go very fast.
30. Today is only 12. Let's put in some mushroom. Security 21 day mushroom.
You want me to do the onion?
Okay, I'm gonna do the mushroom then.
How do you want the onion doing?
It's up to you, anything. We're just gonna eat it. Siya luto ngayon. Did she wash it? Margaret?
I'm not sure. She's peeled them, didn't she?
Yeah.
But you don't need to peel them.
I want to peel. To make sure that it was clean also. She asked me, do you cry when you're doing the onion? I said, yes, sometimes. So, ayan, onion, garlic, and mushroom. Size na. What do you call it? Stroganoff?
Stroganoff, yeah. So how do you want the onion?
Huh?
Just slice.
Yeah. Thin.
Like this? Is that too big?
That's enough because you're gonna saute it. You're gonna saute it, it's gonna be soft.
I'll cut it in half.
Is it a bit bigger, I think? I don't like the smell of mushroom. Do you know why I don't eat mushroom before? Look at that. It's scary. Lagay ko na yung garlic, guys. I-train si Mr. lang. Yung step by step. Yung niluto ng kapatid niya, yung masarap siya. Stroganoff beef. Lalagyan ko na siya ng butter. See that? It's getting...
You've done the garlic, 2-3 minutes, then add the butter, you've done the butter. Once the butter is forming, as it is now, yeah, add the mushrooms a little at a time.
Little at a time.
Yeah, put about half in.
Hold it, the plate is good.
Yeah, now get stirring.
Oh, you cook this. It's your turn to cook. I'm just gonna watch you. Yes, you will be the chef today. My tummy is hot and it's getting hot inside. Hey! I say, chicken. You have enough with this? It's melting. Enough with butter?
Yeah,
Put it in the fridge.
yeah.
It's melting.
When do we have the mush?
What's next? Did you put some oil?
Yeah.
Stay 4 minutes only. Do I need to...
Okay. Slow.
Sarap. Iniwan ko na si Mr. sa kusina. Sakit na ng paa ko. Gusto ko nang maupo. So, ilalagay ko na sa plate yung niluto ni Mr. So, napakulo lang ako ng rice. Sobrang creamy niya. So, ganito yung rice. So, ganyan yung rice namin, guys. Meron niyang wild rice, tapos long grain yung white. So, ito yung sa akin. Maliit na portion lang. Yummy. Ang sarap. Aha. Okay, look at this again. Don't need this, you don't need it.
What was the answer?
No answer yet. So excited. Excited. No question and answer.
No, you'll just sit there and bleed out instead.
Eh?
Come on.
What?
Like this?
You push it.
Which way?
Wait. Hold.
That way?
Yeah. Push it in. Just push. That's it. Now pull the other bit off.
Eh?
Let's put a pin in that right now, man. Just wanted to see how our little friendship would play out.
Eh?
Now, pretty soon you're gonna lose consciousness. You're gonna fall asleep, and you're not gonna wake up.
Oh, you twist up. Okay, now put your cover on.
And the strips.
Have some fun. You're not gonna wear a ring there.
Ella's kicking. Do I have to put now?
Teddy's not coming back. You can trust me on that.
And then wait for it to show the drop. Okay.
I'm scared.
Under your finger.
Give me the goddamn keys.
Ah,
And squeeze the blood.
sakit.
And then when it's gone in, that's it. And you wait.
Film 4, 9 p.m.
See
film,
the result.
sponsored by Alfa Romeo.
7.2. Is it normal?
What's that say?
BED 7.2. Taas ba?
So I think it says you touch it to confirm it.
4, see now.
Is it? 7.2. Pen.
And has never felt more alive.
Mm.
Yeah, so you're not doing this.
On repair.
You're not doing that side, are you?
This one. So today is
So, turn.
here.
Right, I see what you're saying. You don't do before and after. Okay.
What day? 12?
Today's 12.
How do you write
It's
12?
on here, look.
So I switched to the Oral-B
12 to the 8th.
electric toothbrush.
You just put 12.
round brush head surrounds teeth.
And then
Manual toothbrushes don't
Yeah, after evening meal. Yeah,
removal.
Now I get that dentist
7.2.
every single day.
Oral-B, brush like a pro.
Oral-B
So you might as well put 13 away in there now.
price at Superdrug.
here.
Said her supermarket's matching Aldi.
The reason you didn't need to put the month is because you'd have put it there.
Oh. Where's the...
So that's okay.
7.5.
1.5 meal between 3.5 and 7.7. And you're 7.2.
But for some, it's not always
Right?
possible.
So it's just normal, isn't it?
No, you're a bit high.
No, because 7.7 is is it after meal. 1 hour after meal should be 3.5 to 7.2.
Schools every morning.
And then, to get it out,
Better days are built on breakfast.
Put
You
the
turn this.
cover.
no, you don't need the cover, and you can just push that straight in there like that.
I'm worried about.
So it's just normal, isn't it?
Hold on. Watch this.
Good. Maybe we eat the right rice, throwing the starch, the sugar. Let's see
So
if
you've had
tomorrow.
rice, haven't you?
Always discreet.
Yeah, but the rice is different.
No, but maybe the rice has pushed it high, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, sakit ah. Katuwa.
Does the morning rush leave your
About how many biscuits did you have?
3.
So that might have affected it as well. Because you had the biscuits and the food. Everything stick out of your machine, yeah. And thrown it where? In there.